I literally can't start the video. I have to drink something. You guys, please ignore my ratchet nails. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, oh my god, I received plant mail, you guys, and it's not just any plant mail. This is, oh my god, this is like the rarest, most popular plant right now. Great. I'm filming by my window, I'm so sorry. And this is not just any plant, you guys. I know I say this for every plant, but literally this was so hard to find. Whenever this plant is listed for sale, it always sells in minutes. It's like when Kylie Jenner back then would release her launch of makeup and it would sell in minutes, seconds. This is how rare this plant is. Oh my god, you guys, I can't believe I have a little baby plant of a mother plant. But before I unbox this plant and let you guys know what it is, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you already fell in love with my personality, you can follow me at Melina Glam on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and I believe that's it. But without further ado, stay tuned and find out which rare plant I am unboxing today. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this plant and then tell you what it is and the details of where I got it, because oh my god, she has been in this box for a couple hours now. So let's unbox it, you guys. So, oh my god, I'll give you a hint. This is a rare variegated alocasia. So, oh my god, I can't wait. That's the only clue I'm giving you guys. So I'm using these scissors, and it's funny because I have a little piece of my lash. Oh my god. Please handle with care. Oh my god, maybe I'm holding it upside down. So the seller is HT Houseplants, and all her plants are fabulous, you guys. Let me just show you a little sneak peek of her Instagram. You guys, feel free to follow her. She has the rarest of the rare unicorn plants, and oh my god, she uses UPS next day air for all her plants. So this got to me literally in a day. Like literally, she said I'm gonna ship it Monday, and today's Tuesday, and in the morning, lo and behold, it was here. So let me just free it, you guys. I am so excited. Here she is. Nice packaging. Oh my god! No way! Are you guys seeing this? She gave me a free pen. No way! This is so cute. It has her business, HT Houseplants. I'm trying to be really careful. Oh. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Okay. So I think the seller used this temperature control foil. Wow, so impressed. Packaging is really good. Still moist, I can feel the moisture. You guys, oh my god! Ah! Oh my gosh, she's so cute! Okay, you guys, so this is a Variegated Alocasia Black Velvet Pink, and it's unfurling a whole new leaf. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Look at the variegation. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. I never thought I would hold a freaking Alocasia Variegated Black Velvet Pink. Wow, she is gorgeous. She's unfurling a new leaf. Wow. Nice packaging. It came perfectly fine. The new growth is on the way. Thank you, and thank you for the pen. Awesome shipping. It came right away in the morning. Thank you so much. I'm definitely gonna order from you again. Wow, the variegation is so pretty. Wow, thank you. I'm in awe. It's so pretty. I fucking can't. She's so fucking sexy, you guys. I need a moment. I need a moment. I am sweating. Wow. I can't believe I have it. This is a Variegated Alocasia Black Velvet Pink. I know it looks white, but this is gonna turn pink when it matures. Oh my god, it's so sexy when it gets mature. Right now it's sexy too. It's like I have an album that's gonna freaking evolve into a pink one when it gets mature. Wow, I literally want to cry. This is my most prized possession. Like, if there was a fire, this would be the plant. Wow, and nice packaging. Wow, this is a Variegated Alocasia Black Velvet. And look at the variegation, it's so good. This one's variegated too. You could see it coming in. It's variegated there. This one's variegated, and this one looks like it's variegated too. Wow, I'm like, ah! She's kind of harder. Way harder. This is like the hardest plant to find right now. Everybody wants it. Whenever someone posts it, this is gone in minutes. Minutes. I'm telling you. Even corms are selling. Little corms are little seeds. Even little seeds are selling for $500. So imagine what a full plant is. Let me put the prices up here. Yeah, so I'm glad I found this seller again, HT Houseplants. Thank you so much for finally sparing me, saving me a plant. I would always ask if this was available, and they would say it's sold out, it just sold out, you just missed it. And the post was literally not even a full day, and the plant was gone. So I am fortunate to have this plant. I can't wait. So I bought it a little home, you guys. Let me show. Okay, you guys, I am so prepared for this plant. This was an investment, definitely. This plant is an alocasia. Alocasias are known when they mature to produce little corms. Corms are basically little seeds that they produce without you having to make them, fertilize them, or anything to reproduce. They produce little seeds, and you just yank them out and you grow them yourself. Sometimes you don't even have to take them out. They'll grow by themselves. But yeah, so I want to get this plant to mature as fast as I can so I could get those little seeds and make more babies and then sell them and then make my money. So this is definitely an investment, and it's also the top of the top rare plant that is most I would go and say this is the rarest plant right now, that everybody snatches it up and it's sold within seconds. More than a monstera, more than a philodendron. Alocasias are it right now. I'm sorry, but they're it. Like the Elsamania you could find, like the Bilietia I have, I don't know. There's a few exceptions, like the Spiritus Sancti Variegated, like $15,000. You could go somewhere with that, but wow. Yeah, alocasias are notorious for only having 2 leaves if you piss it off. So if you piss this plant off, it can totally kill all its leaves and go dormant. Dormant means the plant pretty much goes to sleep and says, I'm retired, I'm not gonna produce any more foliage for you, any more leaves for you. You piss me off, so I'm trying to avoid that. So I bought these little cloches. I got this one at IKEA. Oh my god, this was kind of like pricey. It was like $17, but it's so cute. It's gold glass. And this is like a cheaper alternative find. It's like made for candies and stuff, and I found it at Walmart and it was like less than $10, and it even has a divider, but we're gonna skip the divider and I'm either gonna put the plant here or here. I'm probably gonna put it here because it's easier than this one. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, yeah, this plant loves a lot of humidity. So one of these cloches domes are perfect for it because it loves to be humid all the time. It even came humid. It has water droplets. The seller is magnificent. Wow, A+ for packaging. Now you guys, I'm gonna release it. Hopefully I don't kill it. I'm gonna take all this packaging out. And yeah, so I can see that the seller has this plant growing in sphagnum moss. It's growing in sphagnum moss. Look at the freaking beautiful roots. So sphagnum moss is like kind of like grass. And then it's growing in, I believe this is stratum and maybe a mixture of either perlite or what's the other one? Pond. I'm gonna ask the seller, but pretty much in a rocky substrate in the bottom, and then you got your sphagnum moss, which is a grassier type of growing media. So let me release it and get all this tape out. Oh my god, let me be careful. I don't want to hurt the plant. I can't believe this plant is mine. Wow. You guys. I can't even talk. I'm like speechless. I don't know what to say. So now, okay, you guys, I have 3 variegated alocasias. That is crazy to me. Wow. So it's still moist, so I'm not gonna water her just yet. Let me try to fit it in one of these cloches. Maybe this one would be easier, because this one, like, I have to put it right here and take her out. I mean, versus this one, you just open it from the bottom and lift it up and you won't hurt the plant. Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, so like this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Okay, you guys, so I put her in the dome. Here she is. Look at that variegated leaf. Wow. The new leaf coming in. I'm definitely gonna keep her in here. Okay, you guys, I really don't know what else to say other than this plant is pretty hard to grow. Hopefully I don't lose any leaves and it just keeps blessing me with new leaves. I'm gonna try my best to grow this plant and get it to maturity as quick as possible. I'm definitely gonna message the seller that it arrived perfectly fine. The new leaf is still unfurling and it didn't die. Usually when you ship plants, you risk the plant like losing its you risk the plant losing leaves, yellowing, browning, leaves tearing up, new leaves not making it. This one had a new leaf and it made it, and it's unfurling and it's crazy. Her packaging was A+. She shipped within 1 day. It took 1 day, exactly 1 day. I got it here. She shipped it on Monday. I got it here on Tuesday in the morning. Wow, like the way she packaged it was beautifully. Communication with the seller was beautiful. I can't believe it. Like, wow, I'm definitely gonna buy more plants from her. A+ seller, I recommend. And yeah, again, this is the Variegated Alocasia Black Velvet, the pink form. Wow, I can't believe I have her. I don't know what to say because I never had this type of plant. I'm definitely gonna let you know if it's the same. Hopefully it doesn't act like the Variegated Alocasia Friday, because then I'm in trouble because it keeps losing leaves. But yeah, you guys, so there you go. This is my new favorite. This is wishlist. This is my new wishlist plant, the only plant that I've been wanting. Wow. I'm definitely gonna go on a no buy plant. No more plants. Not even on my birthday. I'm not gonna buy any plants at all. I went crazy this year for plants, but you know what? You only live once. Life's too short, so if you want the plant, just get it. That's all I'm gonna say. If it brings you happiness, just get it. Unfortunately, we live in a world where a lot of us are depressed and we find happiness through other things. And if it's gonna bring you joy, just buy it. Life's too short. You work hard, you deserve it. So get the plant. But anyways, you guys, this is my Variegated Alocasia Black Velvet Variegated Pink. That's a lot to say. I'm so happy. I recommend the seller. I'm gonna keep this plant on the cloche. I'm not gonna repot it at all. She looks happy here. I'm gonna give it a drink maybe in a couple days. I'm gonna let it chill, recover, do its thing. I might spritz it. Spritz the top a little bit, but that's it. I'm gonna let it chill. And then I'll keep you updated, you guys. When that new leaf unfurls, I'm definitely gonna keep you updated to see how it looks, how the variegation came out. If you like this video, I have many plant mail videos on my channel. If you just found my channel, please do subscribe. And if you happen to have this rare plant, please let me know what to do. Any tips you have, let me know. I'm like a sponge. I like to absorb tips and anything. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye guys.